Hey, Miami Boat Ramps, you guys go subscribe.
Thanks for the intro and welcome back to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps. We're starting off here and our guy's coming in a little bit steep on this one, and he's just hugging this ramp way too close. I have to imagine this is even more difficult than just a normal single jet ski trailer because this looks even a little narrower than that. It might not be. He may be on a normal single jet ski trailer, and just obviously being a stand-up ski, the ski itself's a little smaller, but this one still looks a little difficult, and he's having a little trouble. And frustrations are probably mounting as the vehicle has stopped in front of him as well, so he can't even kind of organize himself here. He's gonna try and do this, but he's still not really coming from the right angle. I mean, I would definitely start this off going to, there we go. You're gonna have to get a further over, but now you got another car blocking you, and it's gonna make it even worse. And let's see how he handles this one. And he's starting off the wrong direction again. Little 79th Street wobble to try and get it back, but man, you're going the wrong way. And yeah, yep, that's gonna leave a little mark as we hit the dock. I tell you what, things are a little crazy down here today. It has been busy down here at 79th. As we back out, you'll kind of see some of the madness that's going on right now, and this is a pretty nice little Renegade that's pulling in right here. Looks like these guys have completely redone that one. That's a pretty slick little boat. And he's pulling in. Tell you what, guys, I can already tell what's happening here. This is how the pros do it. You drop your trailer guy off and you back off that dock and you let him get that trailer back down there. You don't even have to worry about it for the moment. These guys are just going to back off, but let's see if our guy's gotten anywhere with this jet ski. Oh, he's finally got it wide, and it looks like we're going to be okay. He got it wide enough out this time that he should be able to get that one in there. With a single trailer, that's one of the best things you probably can do. Other than several other kind of key pieces of advice I could give you to see that trailer a little better, if you just give yourself plenty of room, come super wide, you should be okay pretty much all the time because you've got plenty of room to work with. And it looks like the Renegade's going to try docking up over here now too, but I don't know why. I mean, if you drop your trailer guy off, why not just stay off the dock and let him get the trailer? Uh-oh. We've got somebody who's stuck. This truck over here to the left, they're spinning tires. And that's with no boat on the trailer. That's not good. That's always a difficult one, especially with no boat on the trailer. I always get shocked when I see that one. Probably gonna have to let some air out of those tires or get a little extra weight in the back of that truck. And my man's coming in a little tight here as well. And I have a feeling we're going to see the infamous 79th Street wobble here. These guys don't seem to have a clue of what they're doing exactly, so the wobble it's probably going to be. We're going to watch these guys probably walk this trailer back and forth down the ramp. Maybe they could prove me wrong. Let's see if he's got it. Nope, we're going to start the wobble. Yep, and I bet we come the whole way down like this. This is probably... I shouldn't say that. Everybody has to learn somewhere, so I'm not trying to bash anybody too hard when I see them do the wobble, because you know what? Most of these guys that do the wobble actually still get their vessel into the water pretty safely. Just takes them a little extra time than it takes some of the rest of us to do it. But other than that, I mean, he's not doing anything crazy. Just a little wobble with it, baby. The finish is pretty strong here, though. So our guy here has been having a little trouble getting this ski started for some reason. Him and his girlfriend, wife, sister, I'm not sure who, have been looking at this thing for a little while now, and they're still discussing on what their plan is to do this here, but what is he doing? Okay. Did that thing just turn on? Okay, now, I am not a Sea-Doo expert by any stretch of the means. What in the world just happened here? Somebody let me know in the comments below, because I'm not sure I understand exactly what this guy just did at the rear of the ski to get this thing to start. These guys have been eyeballing this dock up for a little bit, and it looks like we're finally ready to make our approach. But when I see somebody eyeball the dock this hard, this long, it unfortunately is not a sign of good things usually to come. Usually when I see them prepping this long, things are going to probably get out of control. And I'll tell you what, their fender's out though. They're coming in a little steep on this one as well. And Cap, yep, they've got the grab. Oh no, Cap's going to back off. Whew. Thank God she let go of the pole at least. I mean, I bet you never thought you'd hear. Oh, the boat on the rear, they almost hit that too. Oh, my man on the front's like, yeah, just let me off. Let me out of here. Oh, no. Oh, man. A lot was going on there, but you know what? I don't think he quite hit the vessel at the rear. His buddy jumped off early enough to get the foot push off. Like, I actually think they made it without hitting anything, but that's surprising because a lot happened in a few seconds there. I'm pretty sure this guy left this wave runner untied. He jumped on the dock, I'm assuming to go get a truck or a trailer, but I don't think they tied this off. That's always an interesting one. As you can tell, it's still pretty busy down here at 79. Things have really picked up. There's every ramp's full. Tensions are starting to rise down here as well because people are having to wait. And obviously, if you've ever experienced a boat ramp on a busy day, when people start having to wait, people start getting a little flustered and a little angry. And it doesn't bode well for the beginners who are out here either because all of a sudden, what do we got going on over here? Oh, that Yamaha. Oh, he hit the throttle and he's going to hit the dock. And now it sounds like he's going to get some probably unsolicited advice from this gentleman on the boat in front of us. Just what everybody wants to hear. Somebody else on another boat telling you what you need to do with your vessel. Yeah, that's always a fun one and usually ends well. And it absolutely appears my earlier assumption or guess was correct, and the guy who got off this wave runner did not tie it up. Now I wonder how the rules work with this one down in Miami, because I don't see anybody trying to jump off a dock to try and get this. These guys in this boat don't seem particularly interested in trying to get involved either. They're just interested in keeping it away from their vessel. I mean, somebody's got to get in here and step up and do something. We'll see what happens. I mean, maybe the owner hasn't noticed that it's floated off the dock yet. Maybe he's sitting in his truck waiting to back down a ramp somewhere and just assuming it's still sitting there. This is just a strange one that everybody's just kind of staring at it, though, and nobody's really getting involved. I mean, here comes another PWC. He could absolutely just grab this thing and carry it over to the dock, and he has no desire to do that. And here comes this vessel in. I wonder how this one's going to work. So we got the push off here, but these guys got somebody in the bow of the boat who looks like he's going to try and actually get on. Oh, and he has. He looks like he's gotten on this wave runner. Now I wonder how this one works. Is this now their wave runner? Have they claimed this property to be theirs? You know, articles lost at sea, and now basically it's like finders, keepers, losers, weepers kind of deal. We'll see. Let's see if they take it back over to the dock, if they decide we're just going to run off with this thing. I mean, my man's looking down at it like, yeah, this is a pretty sweet wave runner, man. Yeah, I think we're gonna hold on to this one. Yeah, we'll take it over to this dock. Maybe he won't see it. We'll just keep it on the other side of the boat. And see, like, this is kind of like the hidden game where they're hiding the wave runner from the owner. Now the owner's just gonna think that it went away. Maybe that it sank. Well, I mean, I'm kidding on all that, but that's still just interesting that just floated off the dock. Nobody was really that interested in getting involved in helping, and especially the other PWCs around. You would have definitely thought you would have saw somebody from another PWC just grab it and push it over to the dock, or even just push it up onto the ramp and let it sit there. Well, I thought things were busy down here at 79th earlier. It is absolute insanity down here right now, and everybody's kind of fighting over docks. We've got our boat here who actually pulled up on the dock, but the security's waving him off, telling him no, he needs to go to another dock, and so he's going to move over, but this is the third dock he's been pushed off of, and I've got to imagine Cap's feeling a little frustrated by now. But so are a lot of other people out here. I mean, there's just a massive amount of boats and wave runners and PWCs and everything just waiting to get onto something here. Our Cap's going to go ahead and take the approach over to the other dock he's been instructed to go to, and let's see how that one fares for him. And he's heading over, and we've got another wave runner here in the way. Kind of patiently wait. We'll see how that one goes. And wait, let's see. He's the wave runner. The pisser off the back sprang into the boat, and Cap is not happy. Now, Cap looks like he's probably a little more frustrated about the fact that he's been waiting on a dock this long, but it looks like this wave runner guy is about to be the one he's going to take it out on. But Wave Runner Dude's not having any part of this either. These guys' tempers are flaring. Once again, as I mentioned earlier down here, 79th Street's gotten wild and things are getting a little out of control. I don't know if I'm going to be able to let you guys watch this full clip here. Hopefully nothing. We're not encouraging anything bad to happen here. Hopefully these guys can calm down, realize that they're at the boat ramp and tempers flare, and you know, it is what it is. I'm sure my man in the wave runner did not mean to try and splash a little water into the boat, but no harm, no foul. Nobody was really injured in this event. I don't see any point in carrying it any further than it is, but the one good piece of news is it does appear our captain is finally going to get that dock he's been waiting down here for about 20 minutes, and hopefully that's enough to calm him down, and hopefully Wave Runner guy will calm down a little bit as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who does a lot of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And another collaboration channel we have called Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.